Hi, it's Chris Howell with Smoky Mountain Inspection Services. Let's tune in and see what we're all about. Of course we do home inspections. We're licensed in Kentucky and Tennessee. Small crawl spaces, no problem. We can get into those hard to see areas. Roof too steep to climb? No problem. Licensed drone pilot here. We do commercial building inspections. We help to provide the structural engineering reports on manufactured housing for HUD, FHA, and VA loans. We are nationally certified to collect radon samples and to produce our own analytical reports after the inspection. We provide mold inspections, mold testing, and mold consulting. We do commercial and residential thermography. In the fall, we travel the paths of the hurricanes and do inspections for the federal government. We help investors gain more rental income by providing virtual tours on their log cabins. Realtors, if you have properties that you want to stand out, we have packages for that. Too much to discuss in just 1 minute. For more information, check out our website and our YouTube channel.